Need to update your phone number or mailing address in TD Online Banking? Let's do it. Open the TD app or visit td.com and sign in with your username and password. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon, then choose Personal Details or Contact Info. On the Contact Info page, locate the phone and mailing address sections. Click or tap Edit next to the phone number to make changes. Enter the new number, select the type, then press Save to update it. Next, click Edit beside mailing address to update your street details. Type your new address exactly as your mail arrives, including apartment numbers. Select the correct province or state and verify the postal code for accuracy. Review both phone and address entries carefully, then click Save or Confirm. If prompted, complete multi-factor verification by entering the code or approving the prompt. You will see a confirmation message and optionally an email. Sign out when finished.